The Montana Black Empty Marker is a high-quality refillable empty marker, perfect to use with all Montana Black 200 milliliter paint and ink refills. The marker is available in 3 different nib sizes: 8 mm round, 10 mm chisel, and 15 mm standard. A choice of different replacement nibs are separately available. To fill the marker, first remove the authenticity seal from the screw head. Screw right to remove marker head and valve. Shake the paint or ink vigorously. Fill the empty marker no more than 2/3 full. Replace valve and marker head with the tip. Pump the marker slowly to release the paint or ink into the tip. Control the paint flow through the valve by pumping the tip in varying degrees. To apply ink in a highly liquid form creating drips, pump the marker more often or for longer periods. Montana Black Empty Markers, perfect for all alcohol-based Montana Black 200 milliliter paint and dye inks. Highest quality made in Germany.